Welcome to Top Picks, your ultimate destination for the top picks of all things captivating and remarkable.
UG's insane Lunar lander-inspired coffee machine uses DUOBO for nuanced flavor, developed by LG Labs. The DUOBO is exactly the kind of groundbreaking innovation you'd expect from the company. That brought us rolling TVs, swiveling phones, and a bunch of other crazy gizmos, shaped like something you'd find Mars. The DUOBO is a space-inspired coffee machine that outdoes your Nespresso in both the looks and the functionality department. By allowing you to extract from two coffee pods at the same time, DUOBO lets you build unique coffee blends by letting you be your own coffee connoisseur. The machine works with all standard-sized coffee pods, allowing you to use your existing Nespresso or Starbucks pods to create blends that you couldn't ever make before. The machine expertly controls the flow from each pod, calibrating water temperature and quantity, and layers coffee from the two pods sequentially to build your two-shot espresso that you can then enjoy in a variety of drinking styles. The first thing that stands out with the DUOBO is its unconventional design. Most coffee machines blend in, no pun intended, but the DUOBO chooses to stand out instead. Its design takes inspiration from the 1969 Apollo 11 lunar lander, with a form that features a space module-shaped coffee machine standing on three legs. Underneath lies the DUOBO's platform, which comes with a display that guides you through the process and even provides some occasional entertainment. A 500 milliliters water reservoir and the powerful CPU underneath that precisely controls how your coffee is brewed, extracted.
Watching the DUOBO brew a cup is just about as awe-inspiring as watching a moon landing. The coffee machine isn't like your boring, blockish Nespresso or Keurig. It actually moves up and down, adjusting its height to match the height of the cup you put under it. The three legs help the DUOBO effectively shift on a vertical axis, adding a never-before-seen drama to the ritual of making coffee. The coffee machine's space hatch then pops open, revealing an area for placing two coffee pods. Secure the pods and the hatch closes shut. And once you hit the brew button, the machine compresses in size as it uses pressure to extract coffee from the pods.
The coffee is dispensed from the bottom, and the empty pods emerge shortly after, waiting to be discarded. It's possible that you'll find yourself getting addicted to watching the DUOBO in action rather than actually cultivating a coffee addiction.
The DUOBO's design cleverly highlights separate functional areas. The coffee machine itself resides in the top half, along with the docking station for your two coffee pods. Pop open the hood or the space hatch and you can add pods of your choice in their receptacles. Once closed, you can make adjustments within the DUOBO smartphone and directly command the machine to begin brewing coffee with the press of a button either on the DUOBO or on your smartphone. The lunar lander-shaped electronic barista gets to work, heating the water to the precise temperature for each individual pod, and sending the water through a cleverly designed valve system to extract the coffee from each pod. The coffee gets dispensed from the lower surface of the machine where you'd expect the lander's AF turbiners to be. Place your cup on the display built into DUOBO's base platform, and the coffee dispenses right into it, giving you two shots of intensely flavorful, cream-laden golden glory.
The DUOBO stands at 13.3 inches in height, occupying roughly a square foot of space on your table or kitchen countertop. It supports Bluetooth 5 as well as 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and comes with a free app to let you control your coffee brewing experience. Hope you would have liked this video. Please subscribe our channel for more amazing videos and be in touch with us.